Hey guys, how's it going? Today I've got another cool horn to look at. So today we're looking at a Leslie RS5T. Now this specific one is actually a CSX horn, and I don't know for sure, but based off of pictures and talking to some other people, I believe this is off of CSX 8236, so it's an SD40. This horn did belong to a couple of collectors before I owned it, so it's kind of been passed around a little, but it's actually a really nice sounding RS5T, and I plan to hang on to this one for a while. I'm a big fan of the RS5Ts, especially the CSX ones, so I've got about 3 or 4 of them now. But this is a really nice example. So with an RS5T, you have a 25, you have a 31, a 37, a 44, and a 55. Of course, this horn is all bells forward, and I believe actually it's an RS5T F. The F stands for full orifice. So you have dowel pins in each one of these, well actually you have dowel pins in each bell. They slide through the manifold into the power chamber. Each pin has little holes in it that let air in. Those holes are all various sizes. So on a regular RS5T, that'd be like a variable orifice horn. On RS5TF, all those little dowel pins all have the largest size. So it's kind of like the loudest version, and it gives you kind of like a full punch. So that's what the F stands for. But anyway, other than that, just a CSX RS5T, really good sounding horn. I believe it's pretty much sounding 100%. It does have new gaskets on it. I'm not sure if these heads have been machined. They may have been. One of the previous guys that owned this horn, he machines everything, gets everything redone to perfect. So this one may have been machined, I'm just not sure. But anyway, y'all enjoy this, guys. This is a RS5TF CSX horn.